Hello, my name is Jovi and I'm here to demonstrate our aluminium bifolding doors. We use VisiFold 1000 profile from Smart Systems to make these modern looking bifolding doors. You have an option of two different sashes, curved one as you can see over here, or you can request for square sash. What we got here is the free panel option, also known as free leaf. The color we have here is an anthracite grey, one of the most popular ones. Bifolding doors comes in many different options, anything from 2 to 8 panels. If you have an odd number of panels, you will get something called traffic door, which works independently from the rest of the panels and allows you an easy access to the back of your garden. Traffic door comes with a standard lever handle, which you can see over here, and you can choose any color from white, black, satin chrome, chrome and gold. As standard, our bifolding doors comes with a high security 80K cylinder, and the traffic door comes with a 5-point locking mechanism, which you can see here. For total peace of mind, you have the option of choosing our full Pass24 security upgrade, which also complies with the high security standards set out by building regulations. On the internal side, the door will feature 2 additional handles, D-handle and a shoe bar handle. D-handle only comes in black to match the hinges, and the shoe bar handle will always match your selected lever handle color. To operate the door, turn the shoe bar handle 45 degrees. If you have a traffic door, open it. Then push the door and fold it back. You have an option for the doors to open inwards or outwards, sliding to the left or right. To close it, same process in reverse. Hold the door, use the D handle to pull the doors towards yourself, lock your shoe bar handle, and close the traffic door if you have one. Any of our bifolding doors with a traffic door will come with a set of magnets to keep the doors from scratching each other and to keep them in place in the windy weather. The glass we use in our bifolding doors is 28mm double glazed units with 4mm toughened glass layer on the outside. Our doors can achieve a U value of 1.6 as standard, or a U value of 1.4 if you choose a triple glazed option. Another superb option that you have with our bifolding doors is integral blinds that you can see featured over here. It adds privacy, shields you from the sun, and does not require any dusting. And that is all in our bifolding doors for today. However, if you do require more information or you would like to get a quote, please do get in touch. Our details can be found right here.